When was the last time you experienced silence? No television, no iPod, no cell phones, just pure, uninterrupted, unbroken silence. In Psalm 46, God says, "Be still and know that I am God." Sometimes we need to shut out everything else, put everything away, and just be quiet. God may be speaking to you, but his voice has been drowned out by all the distractions, all the things going on around you. He wants you to be still. He desires for you to hear from him. When you've had a bad day, he wants to encourage you. When you feel alone, he wants to put his arm around you. When you feel empty, he wants to fill you with his peace. When you feel like no one cares, he wants to remind you of how much he loves you. Don't be so caught up in the noises around you that you don't hear the voice that speaks in the silence of your heart. Shh. Be still.